Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and Tyson Foods, ticker symbol TSN, demonstrated its phenomenal pricing power as it more than offset inflationary pressures in Q1, leading to a massive earnings beat, its second largest in 5 years. As consumer demand continued to outstrip Tyson Foods' ability to supply products, sales were also a huge highlight, soaring by over 23% year over year in the quarter. Okay, before we get too far into it on Tyson Foods' awesome earnings and ability to sidestep inflation, smash that like button, share this video, and click the first link in the description to get our top 10 stocks list and so much more. We've done the research so you don't have to. And if it's your first time here, considering clicking subscribe so you never miss a video. All right, my friends, thank you so very much for doing that. With inflation battering the food industry, squeezing margins, and causing consumers to think about shifting their taste towards cheaper alternatives, Tyson Foods has done a great job shielding itself from those many headwinds. The company still faces other supply chain hurdles, primarily regarding labor. Still, though, as one of the largest meat processors in the world, its ability to pass rising prices on to its consumers has been tremendous, and those actions have more than offset their supply chain challenges. Tyson Foods' pricing power was on full display in Q1, as average sales price increased 19.6% year over year, more than offsetting an 18% rise in the cost of goods. This allowed revenue to smash estimates, coming in at $12.93 billion. Beef sales were a highlight, rocketing 31.7% year over year on a 6.2% drop in volume. The volume decline resulted mostly from labor shortages, as well as some port congestion, both of which Tyson Foods expects to normalize over the course of fiscal year 22. Chicken was also a standout, as sales climbed 19.9% year over year on 3.6% higher volume. Tyson Foods intends to make chicken its main focus going forward, and given its rise in popularity in food service, the company is making the right move. For example, McDonald's, ticker symbol MDC, noted last month that it is going to focus on growing its market share in chicken, and it's already made progress with its new chicken sandwiches. Adjusted operating margins were another highlight in Q1, expanding nicely year over year across beef and pork. Beef clearly saw a sizable impact from declining volumes, as margins grew 590 basis points year over year to 19.1%. Also, although chicken's margins fell 30 basis points year over year to 3% in Q1, Tyson Foods expects fiscal year 22 margins to come in between 5 and 7% as it continues to invest aggressively in automation to help fill the labor gaps. Lastly, to round off its solid Q1 figures, Tyson Foods reaffirmed its fiscal year 22 revenue guidance of $49 to $51 billion, and it stated it now expects to come in at the higher end of this range. Overall, Tyson Foods' Q1 results are a testament to its robust pricing power. Since Tyson Foods is proving its capacity to pass price hikes onto customers, this also brings about a concern, though, for restaurant chains, particularly those with heavy exposure to beef. I think it's worth keeping an eye on restaurant brands, ticker symbol QSR, which operates Burger King, and Shake Shack, ticker symbol SHAK, which sells premium beef burgers, and finally Wendy's, ticker symbol WEN, to name just a few, as higher than expected margin contraction could drive earnings misses. Bottom line, by trading at a 13.3 times fiscal year 22 earnings, carrying a consistent 1.9% dividend, and continuing to buy back stock, Tyson Foods has made itself a solid choice for long-term investors, especially given its ability to sidestep inflation. Well, that's what I think about Tyson Foods earnings, but I want to hear from you. What do you think about their massive earnings beats and their pricing power? And remember, your comments make these videos so much better. Smash that like button, share this video, and click the first link in the description to get our top 10 stocks list and so much more. We've done the research so you don't have to. And it's your first time here, click that subscribe button. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.